just turned 41, so I decided I was going to write 41 songs in 41 days. Today's day 15. I ain't got much time, so 1 hour challenge. I'm going to write a song in 1 hour. Let's get cracking. So, 1 hour on the clock. Let's go. Okay, so let's look for some ideas first of all. Over the edge. This house used to be a home. Sat by the fire. Sat by the fire. Sat by the fire. Sat by the fire. I'm sat by the fire. I sat by the fire. Feeling the warmth. I sat right beside you. We do it. Sat right beside you, doing nothing at all. Gone for a very simple thing. It's just a 1, 6, 4 back to 1. So it's E major, C sharp minor, A major, back to E major. On my birthday this year, my other half took me to a little kind of village in North Yorkshire, which was absolutely lovely. Just in this little cottage. I really enjoyed starting a proper wood fire and then just sitting by it all night. It was just really nice. That's the image it set in my mind, which is probably why I've made this decision. So I've got this idea and I'm just going to try some things. I feel like in every one of these videos I seem to talk about writing exercises, but sometimes these writing exercises I'm doing just yield things that either spark inspiration. Right, I'm going to talk about this in another one, I think. I don't have time much. So I'm just going to set a timer for 5 minutes to do this exercise and we're going to see where it goes. How are we doing for time? 20 minutes gone. And I want to take these things, just see if I can find some lines that work. What I usually find is if I can come up with one verse, then usually I can use that to come up with other verses. 40 minutes to finish the song. I have this habit of always starting my phrases on the beat number 2. That's kind of what the chorus is doing. Sat by the fire. See, I'm doing that on number 2, so I'm thinking to separate the two parts. I want to try and start before the bar. My mind is going to making memories while we do nothing, like going, making memories. That's what I'd always do, so I'm trying to think of it as like, making memories while we do nothing, staring at the flames. Okay, I've actually only got 20 minutes left and I'm feeling a little bit stuck, so I've got kind of this idea of making memories when we do nothing, let the flames sharing time together, wishing that time would just stop buying, isn't that the flames? Got making memories while we do nothing, staring at the flames, sharing time together, wishing that time would just stop flying, staring at the flames. Why can't every day be just like this one, a beautiful day that could not end better? 19 minutes and 10 seconds left. I'm feeling the pressure a little bit, but I'm liking what's coming out. Might be a little bit cheesy, but it is a love song, I suppose. Okay, I've just quickly come up with a pre-chorus. It definitely needs work, but I like the sentiment of it, which is like, this is why we work so hard, so we can have moments like this. This is why we work so hard, for moments like this one when we're sat by the fire. Ooh, 6 minutes. Oh, come on. I've got one here. So staying awake even though we're tired. Thinking the same. This is the part that I love in songwriting when things just start to come. Oh, it's a cheesy love song, this, man. Staying awake even though we're tired. The same, feeling the same, loving this time together. Not saying a word, just sharing silence. Not saying a word, sharing silence. Staring at the flames. Why can't every day be just like this one? Time flies, but could it be any better? Done. done. That was actually felt quite to the wire, but I think as the deadline started to tick, I could feel myself just getting things done and going back to all things and rehashing lines. I think there's something in that. I'm gonna record it and see how it goes. When you're younger and you're at school or college or whatever, nothing makes you get your ass into gear more than a deadline. Deadlines just help you to get things done. Now, I know this is a self-imposed deadline, but because I genuinely haven't got much time, the fact that I actually do have a deadline and I want to get a song written, it makes you stop procrastinating and make decisions. Check out the song, it's on the screen now. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you tomorrow.